Good morning, children. So today we are going to start SST chapter 6, helping each other. Okay. So as you can see here, I have written three topics. In this chapter there are three topics: community helpers, caring for others, and dignity of labor. Okay. Now, community helpers. Today we will start community helpers. So, as you can see here, I have written these names: teachers, doctors, policemen, firefighters, farmers, and soldiers. So, they are our community helpers. Okay. But today we will read about teacher and doctors only. Now let us start. Please open your book, page number 49. As you can see here, name these helpers. What you have to do, you have to write the names of these helpers. Okay. Now let us start with community helpers. We all want an easy and comfortable life. This is made possible by the people who provide us their services. They are the community helpers. Some of them are seen around us every day, while others help us indirectly from a distance. Let us learn about them. See, what do you understand by community helpers? The people who are helping us, or you can say who are making our life comfortable, are known as community helpers. See, in our life we have to do different works, okay, and individually we cannot perform all the works, so we need community helpers to live our life comfortably. Now let us see community helper, that is teachers. Okay, teachers, like our parents, help in building up a strong foundation of our lives. They are our most important community helpers. They educate us, teach us how to read and write. They teach us different subjects in the school. They also help us to develop skills. In other fields like singing, dancing, painting, swimming, art, and craft. They teach us good habits, discipline, moral values, and manners. They help us in becoming good and responsible citizens of our country. They feel happy and proud of us if we learn sincerely. They take care of us like our parents. As a mark of respect to the teachers, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. Students offer flowers to them. Some act as teachers for one day in the school. They are our guides and friends. Okay, now I have read this topic. Now let us see the explanation. As you all know that teachers are the nation builders. With the help of teachers only, the students are becoming IS, IPS, doctors, engineers, etc. etc. Okay, without teacher it is quite tough for a student to become, or you can say to achieve his or her goals. So teachers play a very vital, or you can say important role in a life of the student. For example, if a student joins in KG classes, who teaches him or her? A teacher. Okay, teacher teaches him how to speak, how to read, and how to write, and so on. Okay, now for example, if anybody wants to become a doctor, okay, then he or she should take the help of teacher only, because without teacher he or she cannot achieve his or her goal. Yes, of course, the labor matters. The student has to labor hard, but definitely teachers are there to help them, or to, you can say, to guide them. To honor the teachers, every year on 5th of September we all celebrate Teachers' Day. Okay, now as you can see in this Factopedia, in page number 50, Teachers' Day is celebrated to mark the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of the country. As you all know, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who is the first Vice President of our country. So, we mark his birthday, that is, Teachers' Day is celebrated to mark the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Okay? So, from this topic we learn that we should always respect our teachers. Now come to next topic, or next community helper, that is doctors. Okay. Now we visit a doctor when we are sick or get injured. Doctors are trained people who know how to treat and cure the sick and injured people. They dress the wound and prescribe medicines. They also suggest us what to eat till we become healthy. Now let us explain this much topic. We visit a doctor when we are sick. When we are sick, that means when we are suffering from fever, cough, cold or anything. So we go to doctor. We visit doctors. Now doctors examine us, they treat us, they give us medicines, okay, and they decide our eating habits also. For example, if anybody is suffering from cold or cough, then doctor will advise that person not to eat cold things. Okay. In this way, doctor treat us as well as he or she gives us medicines and we become healthy. Now let us come to next paragraph. We visit a hospital when we are seriously ill. A hospital has many specialized doctors to treat different diseases like heart diseases, bones, fractures, skin, ears, etc. Doctors vaccinate us against diseases like polio, cholera, typhoid, etc. Now, for example, if anybody is seriously sick or seriously ill, he or she should visit the hospital. And as you all know, in hospitals, many doctors are there. Okay, they are the specialist of bones, ears, nose, skin, fractures, etc. Means for different disease, you can say there are different kind of doctors. Okay. Now as well as doctors also vaccinate us against diseases like polio, cholera, typhoid, etc. When a baby comes in the world, okay, a small baby, then what happen? He or she may get infected with the different viruses. So to protect them from those viruses or bacteria, doctor gives us vaccination such as polio, polio, cholera and typhoid, so that we can be what to say, we can make our body or that child can make his or her body immune from these given diseases. Nurses assist the doctors and take care of the patients. They check their body temperature, give medicines and look after their meals. Now in the hospital, not only doctors are there, nurses are also available. So what is the work of a nurse? Nurse assists the doctors, okay. They take the body temperature of the patients, they give the medicines time to time to the patients, okay. And also they look after the meals of the patients. Small towns and villages have dispensaries or clinics. The government sends mobile dispensaries to places where there is no dispensary or clinic. They have a van with doctors, nurses and medicines. A veterinary doctor or vet treats the sick animals. Doctors help us to live a long and healthy life. We should be thankful to them. Now, in small towns or you can say villages, dispensaries or clinics are there. Okay. The government also sends mobile dispensaries to the places where dispensaries or clinics are not available, and that dispensary van is consist of doctor, nurse and lots of medicines, so that they can treat the people wherever they find them. Okay. Now a veterinary doctor, what is the meaning of veterinary doctor? The doctor who treats sick animals are known as veterinary doctors. Okay, they only treat the sick animals, not us. Okay. So doctors, what is the need of doctor in our life? Doctors help us to live a long and healthy life. Okay. With the help of doctor only, we can live a long as well as healthy life, because if anything happens to us, we become unhealthy, and just because of doctors, or you can say just because of their guidance and medicines and as well as treatment, we become healthy. So we should be always thankful to the doctors as well as nurses too. Now come to next one, that is policeman. You all are aware of this word policeman, and you can see the policeman right now in this situation, that is COVID-19 pandemic. They are everywhere to help us out. Okay. Now see, the policemen help to maintain the law and order in the city or country. They work in a police station. They protect our lives and property. They help the people to maintain peace and discipline in the neighborhood. So, what is the work of a policeman? Their work is to maintain law and order in the town or city. Okay. They work in police station. They protect our lives and property. Because of their fear only, nobody, you can say, nobody tries to harm us. Okay. Or if anybody harms us, we can lodge an FIR to the police station, and police will catch that person immediately. Okay. They help the people to maintain peace and discipline in the neighborhood. To maintain the peace and discipline of a locality or a neighborhood, policemen are essential. Okay. Their work is to catch the criminals as well as thieves. They ensure that the people do not break the laws of the country, and if they do, they are arrested by the policemen. So what is the main work of police? They ensure that nobody should break the rules, and if anybody breaks the rule, they will be caught by the police officers. They inspect the area in mobile vans. This is called patrolling. As you can see, many vehicles are roaming at night or in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening. Okay, in which many police officers are sitting. So that van is called mobile van, or you can say patrolling. Okay. If they get a call or come across an accident while patrolling, they make arrangements. If suppose that while patrolling in that patrolling vehicle, or you can say mobile vans, if they got an emergency call that something is going wrong or somebody is breaking the laws, they immediately reach there and help the needy people. Even at the time of accident also, when we call them, they come and help the injured people. Traffic policemen coordinate the traffic on the roads. They ensure smooth traffic, keep traffic under control and prevent accidents. They work day and night. We must respect them and follow traffic rules. Now you have seen that traffic policeman, his dress is quite different from the police officers. Okay. So what is the work of that traffic policeman? He coordinates the traffic on the roads. Okay. He ensures smooth traffic, keep traffic under control, and also prevent the accidents. If you go to big cities, you can see that there are four ways. In the middle, a policeman is standing. Okay, and he is controlling the traffic. So in this way, these traffic police help us to maintain the traffic. Understood? So in next class, we will read next topic, or you can say read about next community helpers, that is firefighters, farmers and soldiers. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.